G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time, and today I'm going to be cooking up this product right here. Patak's Butter Chicken Curry Kit. I usually really love these curry kits. Well, the other brand I do. This Patak's one, well, I haven't tried it before, so how about we whip it up and suss out just how good their butter chicken is. But wonder how much butter's in it for starters. Let's just find out. Well, there's a butter chicken sauce 77%. Oh, butter 1%. Butter chicken paste there 22%. And there's things like fenugreek and paprika and cardamom and chili and cumin. Oh, mate, all the ingredients on there sound pretty tasty. Now, it is 1% butter, but it's also 7.5% sugar, which means they could technically call this sugar chicken. Now you know the curry's going to be awesome because it says here that it's packed in Poland. Maybe it's a suburb of Delhi. Now you can see what's in it. It's got some spices and sauces and pastes. Well, let's crack it open for a better look. All right, well, that looks pretty good there. That must be the fenugreek. Oh, that paste looks oily and delicious. And the sauce, let's hope it tastes awesome. Now the beauty about this is all you need to do is just add chicken. But how do we actually cook this thing? Right. So we need to fry the spices a little for 20 seconds. Then you add the paste, cook that for 2 minutes, and add 50 milliliters of water and simmer until it's evaporated. 50 mils of water. Oh, that's kind of like 2 shots of tequila. Then you just stir in the sauce, simmer for 15 minutes or until cooked through. Well, that sounds easy enough. Let's get started. Now I've been heating up the frying pan. I wonder if it's hot yet. Oh, you... Yes, it is. Now, it says you got to fry those herbs in a little hot oil. Oh, yeah. Well, that should be hot by now. It's got a handy tear thing on top. I'll just stick those in. Oh boy, that smells great. Just need to fry this for about 20 seconds. I don't hear much sizzling going on. Alright, well here's the paste, and this doesn't have a tear thing, so you'll need some scissors. Cut this one open. You add the paste in. Oh boy, that smells so good. Oh. Give that a bit of a stir. And I need to add about the 50 mils of water. We just cook this for a few minutes until that water has evaporated. Oh man, that is frying hard. Now it says to use 2 chicken breasts, but I only used 1. So we'll add that in. And we just need to seal this chicken, basically so it's brown on all sides. Or in the case of chicken, white on all sides. And once we've done that, now we get the butter chicken sauce, and this one has a tear thing. We add this in. It's kind of sweet, that. And we'll mix it all through. And we just need to simmer this now for 15 minutes or until the chicken's all cooked. So I'll turn the heat down a bit and we'll just let that simmer away. Well, that 15 minutes is up, and whew, boy, doesn't that look good. And this kitchen smells great too. Smells good. Alright. Let me just have a taste of this. See what it's like. Wow. That's really nice. It's got a nice sweet flavour and it's not too hot, it's not too spicy, it is a mild one. But as far as a butter chicken goes, well, it's never going to be as good as the restaurant, but this one, mate, it's pretty tasty. It could probably do with a little bit more seasoning, but that's easy enough to do. But there is something that I do like to do when I'm cooking packet butter chicken. And that is to add some more butter. That 1% butter is never going to cut it. Let's boost that up to about 50%. Well, maybe 5%. And blend it through to get it nice and creamy. That's looking better now, isn't it? So let's spoon some over some rice that I cooked. And let's see how this tastes. Oh yeah. Yeah, mate. This is pretty tasty. It is sweet, it is tomatoey, but the flavour of it's pretty good. And I reckon it would be something that I would get again when it's on half price special. But I wonder what the Gregometer will think about it. Alright, here it goes. Well, it's going straight up just like I thought it would. Oh, hang on. For some reason it's taking an about face. It's going down. Down is not good. Down, oh hang on. It's going back up again. Looks like it's heading all the way up. Oh, thank goodness, because I really did think it deserved. Oh, what? What's going on? Man, I thought it was tasty. It's got a nice flavour about it, and the spices are good, and mate, everything about it I thought was really good. I thought it was really easy too, easy to cook. Wow, almost straight up. That's exactly where I thought it was going to end up too. But there you go, the Patek's butter chicken. Mate, it's pretty good. I don't think it's as good as the other brand one that's quite similar. But still, I think it's really tasty. It's super simple to make. And mate, if you're lousy for time, mate, a nice quick butter chicken. What more do you want? Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook a butter chicken. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the